Hi, today in front of me BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So just to create a new home screen folder, you should hold the application and drag it to another one. And by this way, we just successfully created a new home screen folder. To move this folder on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. If you want to rename the folder, just click once on the name and enter the new one. Then just tap to OK. Just to remove the application from the folder, hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. Also, if you want to remove all of the applications with the folders in one click, just hold it and drag it to remove. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.